good, YouTube? Welcome back to Meme Coin Daily. This is where you find the hottest and the newest projects in the crypto space. DGen plays, meme coins, we got it all on this channel. Be sure to like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell. I appreciate any support. Before I get into the video though, guys, I gotta let you guys know I'm not a financial advisor. Always do your own research before you invest in any crypto. And never invest more than you're willing to lose. Remember, this is just entertainment purposes. As you guys can see, I have my channel pulled up. Meme Coin Daily, 103 subscribers. We hit that 100 mark. I appreciate all the support. Let's hop right over to Dex Tools. Y'all already know it's a ritual to go through the top 10 peers. First off, we got YDF. Second, we got Tama, Bone, Hex, Inu Sanity, 8, ETH 2.0, Fold, Ka, X2, Y2. But in this video, we're gonna be checking out something that someone recommended for me in the comment section. World Cup Inu. As you guys can see, this chart is super bullish. This project launched on the 26th from what I'm seeing. Had a run up, retrace, accumulation, and then just popped off to the upside. How much percentage is that? Let's see. A nice 256%, almost 300%. That is insane gains, you know what I'm saying? Love to see it. Love to see it because normally when I look at charts, I get in charts when it's sideways accumulation going on. So any purchase from the 30th to the 6th would have been a great time to get in. I love to get in charts when they're like, you know, just going sideways, not doing much, and then there's a huge pop to the upside. But yeah, WCI World Cup Inu, 494k in liquidity, 499k in 24-hour trade volume. Great trade volume. That is a great look. 2.58k holders, guys. Numbers are great. 4.79 million market cap. So I'm guessing somewhere around here. Anytime around here, you could have gotten around 1 to 2 mil market cap. You get a 2x. You if you want to play it safe, remember these are DGen plays. You get your initial out, and then you leave in the rest and see where it goes from there. But you know what I'm saying, numbers are looking great. I really love that trade volume. 499k 24-hour trade volume. It means people are buying and selling the project, and it means it could have a lot more upside from here. Now I'm not sure if it's gonna retrace, because after a huge run up like this, you may see a retrace before it continues up further. But yeah, I like what I see from the chart. Let's hop on to let's go to token sniffer next. See what those numbers are like. Okay, 65 out of 100 right here. Okay, 5% buy, 5%, 5.1% sell. Not much of a difference. That's not bad. Ownership not renounced. Okay. 99.78% liquidity locked. Alright, so great stuff, you know what I'm saying? Great stuff from Token Sniffer. The only issue you could get with this chart is if like the whales, you know, decide to dump on you guys, but not every whale will sell at the same time. You can't avoid JEETs, especially in the bear market. In the bear market, the JEETs are so strong. But yeah, the chart is holding up pretty good because I saw it yesterday holding like this run up, and chart is holding up really good. Let's go to the website next, see what we got. World Cup Inu. We got a nice animation on screen. Okay, FIFA World Cup starts in 40 days. Play with us. Okay, so it's a play on the FIFA World Cup that is approaching pretty soon, about a month and 10 days from now. Nice to see. So they're listed on CoinMarketCap, CoinGecko, getting tracked on Binance and Dex Tools. Nice. And I see here that they got an influencer that talked about the project. Shout out to Yarn World. I'm subscribed to his channel. Let's see. World Cup Inu, the first token on ETH to support the World Cup. Holders can participate and bet amongst each other. So it's a betting platform. Okay. Holders and fans can participate in lottery and win the pool. Sports betting is a massive industry with over 2 trillion. Is that US 2 trillion? Is that what TN means? Wagered every year. FIFA is one of the biggest events. WCI is the first token on the ETH to support World Cup. WCI is one of a kind betting platform for Web 3.0 betting experiencing the thrill and excitement of real-time World Cup betting. Bet with your family, friends, families, and thousands of DeFi anons. WCI is developing an on-chain betting app. Okay, so they're developing an app where users can bet on their fave team via ETH directly using DeFi wallet of their choice. Okay, so that's where the use case comes in, because there's a lot of betting apps that only use like fiat. So I'm guessing their goal here is to set up an app where you could bet with ETH, which is pretty cool. I like the idea behind that. Those funds stay in a smart contract unless the winner is declared by fetching data using Oracle. So they're going to use the Oracle system, and winning an amount that gets distributed among winners as per their stake, with a 10% tax on all bets, which will be used for a lottery pool. Okay, so the tax fund is probably going to get used for development and the lottery pool. All fans can participate and have a chance to win the lottery pool. The World Cup Inu Bets. WCI Bets is one of a kind on-chain betting portal for Web 3.0 betting. Alright, okay, fully decentralized. No one can change any info once the bet is placed. Nice stuff. Once you've set that bet, it's locked in. So make sure you ain't over invested on these bets, bro. If y'all picking Man U, I don't know who's in the World Cup. I don't follow football like that, but I know the top. The top teams. If you're picking Man United, make sure you make a right choice when you pick Man United. You know what I'm saying? I saw something in the top right, WCI Bets. Let's see. Okay, so this is the platform. UAFA Bets. Live, upcoming, completed. Okay. So they had some bets that were placed before. Okay, so they already got a platform up and running, and then you make your bets, and as long as you make the right bet, you get paid out in ETH, and you could just make your bets in ETH. You know what I'm saying? If you don't want to use fiat, we already see the transition happening, y'all. We gonna see the transition of crypto and decentralization, where fiat is gonna be non-existent. So they ahead of the curve on this one with this project. So we got some bets that already took place: West Ham versus Fulham, Crystal Palace versus Leeds, Arsenal versus Liverpool. Okay, I know Arsenal. Everton versus Man United. Like I said, I know Man United. So you could just connect your wallet right here at the top right, and then you could just get right into placing bets, and you pick a winner. And as long as you pick the right winner, you make the right bet, boom, you get paid out in ETH. Depending on, I think it's depending on how much ETH you bet, and then the shares of the tax pool or something along those lines. From what I'm seeing, it's a very interesting DAPP, guys, playing into that whole the FIFA World Cup incoming is playing right into that, you know what I'm saying? So a lot of people hopped on that train. Okay, we're gonna check out their official Twitter next, see what we got. World Cup Inu, first World Cup token on ETH, 2,000 followers, nice stuff. WCI biggest buy competition share ends in 11 hours. Okay, minimum buy 0.25 ETH, winning a prize of 1 ETH. Winner must hold for at least 40 hours. Okay, nice incentive right there with a buy competition. We just locked another chunk of LP tax, locked for a year. That's what I like to see. Team can't rug, they lock in the LP. Let's see what people thinking about WCI. Use the cash tag WCI. Let's see what the retail investors like myself saying about the project. Hey, OX, mama get the camera. I'm retiring with a shitcoin called WCI. What's that? A dog that plays football with a base dev and base community. And that's all you need for success in a crypto project. Base dev, base community. That's all it takes, fam. Base meme guy. Buys like this on WCI, nothing uncommon. All-time high after all-time high. Load up now, 40 days before the World Cup. Ooh, 3.6 ETH buy. Nice engagement as well. WCI super bullish. Holders are increasing massively. Market cap damn sexy. What are you waiting for? Another tweet from Alex. Just imagine that they get a FIFA World Cup player to endorse them. I have a strong feeling the dev has this in the works. Okay. If that happens, it'll send, fam. It'll definitely send. Social engagement for the project looking pretty good. 26 likes, 6 retweets. around 20 to 30 likes per tweet that I saw in the top tweets for the project. That's pretty good. Next thing we're gonna hop into is the Telegram, see what the community likes, see what they saying. We got 2,509 members in the Telegram. Okay, they got a hype, they got following, man. They got a following. I can see the vibes, just hear people talking. I didn't take a single dollar out, not a single one. Over 2,500 members. Guys, a project like this, you never know what could happen with a project like this, you know what I'm saying? Manage your risk if you're gonna invest into a project like this. But what will really take this project to that next level is the marketing and the community. Let me know what you think in the comment section. If you hold WCI, let me know what you think about the project. You know what I'm saying? We could engage in the comment section. I do like what I see here. There definitely could be a lot more upside, maybe a 10, 20x, 30x, 50x, who knows? You know what I'm saying? This is crypto, you never know. As always, thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate it. Like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell so I can continue to cover your favorite projects, and let me know more projects that you'd like me to check out in the comment section. Be safe out there, and I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace.